Ever wondered, what is big data? Well, today you'll understand it in less than 5 minutes. Big data is more than just a trendy term tossed around in tech circles. It's a critical component of our modern, technology-driven world. It refers to the vast quantities of data generated every second from every corner of the globe and how we capture, analyze, and utilize this data to create significant value. So, are you ready to dive into the world of big data? Let's go. First things first, the term big data refers to large and complex data sets that traditional data processing software can't manage. Now, to understand big data, let's break it down into its fundamental components known as the 3 V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume, as the name suggests, references the massive quantity of data generated every second from every corner of the globe. Imagine the digital footprints left by billions of people using the internet daily. Now that's a lot of data. Next up is velocity. This is all about the speed at which data is being produced and how fast it needs to be processed to provide value. Think about social media feeds updating in real time or financial markets where millisecond delays can mean substantial monetary losses. Finally, we have variety. This refers to the different types of data we deal with, from structured data like spreadsheets and databases to unstructured data such as emails, videos, and text messages. The nature and format of data are as diverse as the sources producing it. But here's the thing, it's not just about having a lot of data really fast in many different forms. The magic happens when you can harness these 3 V's to gain insights, inform decisions, and create value. So in the world of big data, it's not the size that counts, it's what you do with it. Remember, it's not about the amount of data, but what organizations do with it that matters. You might think, I'm just a student, why should I care about big data? Well, you interact with big data more often than you realize. Let's start with something as simple as your daily social media scroll. Ever wondered how Instagram knows just what kind of posts you'd like to see? Or how Facebook seems to always suggest friends you might know? That's big data at work. These platforms analyze terabytes of data every second, understanding your likes, dislikes, and preferences to personalize your feed. Now let's move on to your online shopping sprees. You're browsing through Amazon, and suddenly you see a recommendation for a book you've been meaning to read. Coincidence? Not really, this is big data again. Online retailers use your browsing history, past purchases, and even the time you spend on certain products to tailor their recommendations, enhancing your shopping experience. And it's not just social media or online shopping. Big data is involved when you're streaming your favorite shows on Netflix, guiding your GPS when you're lost, or even helping your fitness app track your daily steps and calorie intake. It's quietly working behind the scenes, making your life easier and more connected. So, you see, big data is all around us, shaping our lives in ways we may not even realize. Now that we understand what big data is and how it affects us, let's look at what the future holds. The potential of big data is vast and spans across various fields. In healthcare, it could revolutionize patient care, with predictive analytics helping doctors make informed decisions. In education, big data could personalize learning, tailoring educational content to each student's needs and pace. And in the business world, big data is poised to be the backbone of strategic decisions, predicting trends and consumer behavior with uncanny accuracy. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. As technology advances, so will our ability to harness and utilize big data. We're on the cusp of a new era, one where data-driven decisions could become the norm, not the exception. The future of big data is exciting and holds endless possibilities. And who knows, maybe one of you will be the next big data pioneer. So there you have it, a crash course on big data. We've explored the definition of big data, delved into the 3 V's, volume, velocity, and variety, and highlighted how it profoundly impacts our everyday lives. We've also peeked into the future, where big data's potential is boundless. Remember, in a world driven by data, understanding big data is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Until next time, keep exploring.